Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. It's your friend Ween, and I'm absolutely thrilled to have you here today. We're about to dive into an epic step-by-step video where I'm going to walk you through 10 incredible, completely free tools that you can start using right now to supercharge your productivity, streamline your workflow, and make your day-to-day tasks a whole lot more fun. These are tools I've personally tested, and let me tell you, they're total game changers. So grab a snack, settle in, and let's get started with this ultimate guide to free productivity tools. First up, we've got a fantastic tool called TextToNote. This one's a lifesaver if you're dealing with long documents, transcripts, or any kind of text that you need to break down into something more manageable. Imagine you've got a user interview, a research article, or even a YouTube video script. TextToNote takes that text and turns it into colorful Post-it style notes that make it super easy to see the key points at a glance. Here's how it works. Head over to the TextToNote website. Don't worry, I'll drop all the links in the description below. You'll see a big text box where you can paste in any text you want. For example, let's say you've got a user interview transcript. Paste it in, hit the Generate Notes button, and voila! You'll get a visual spread of notes, all color-coded and organized. I tried this with a sample interview, and it pulled out details like, Dr. Johnson uses HealthTrack, has 2,500 patients, and has been using it for 3 months. You can click on each note to expand it or rearrange them however you like. The best part? You don't need to sign up or pay a cent. It's perfect for students, researchers, or content creators who need to summarize long texts fast. Pro tip: try pasting in a YouTube video transcript to create quick summaries for your research or content planning. Next, let's talk about OpenAI FM, a super cool text-to-speech tool that lets you create professional-grade voiceovers for free. Whether you're working on a podcast, a YouTube intro, or just want to hear your script read aloud, this tool is amazing. Here's the deal. Go to the OpenAI FM website. Again, links in the description. Right away, you'll see options to choose an AI voice, like Nova or Echo, and a vibe, like serene, energetic, or professional. Paste your script into the text box. There's a 1,000 character limit, so keep it concise. You can tweak settings like tone, pacing, or add effects like soft or gentle to make it sound just right. Then hit Generate, and in just a few seconds, you'll hear your script come to life. I tested it with a sample script that said,
Hello and welcome to your moment of mindfulness. I'm so glad you're here. Let's begin.
Once it's done, you can download the audio file instantly. No sign up, no payment required. This tool is built on OpenAI's text-to-speech API, so the quality is top-notch. It's perfect for syncing voiceovers with your videos or creating audio content on the fly. Pro tip: write a short intro for your next video, generate the audio, and import it into your editing software for a professional touch. All right, let's move on to Supercut, a screen recording tool that's perfect for tutorials, demos, or presentations. This isn't just any screen recorder. It makes your recordings look polished with AI-powered features like auto-generated tables of contents and customizable layouts. Here's how to use it. You can download the Supercut app for macOS or grab the Chrome extension. Links are in the description. Open the app or extension, and you'll see options to enable your webcam, microphone, and choose which screen or window you want to record. Hit record, do your thing, and stop when you're done. Supercut automatically creates a table of contents based on your recording. For example, I recorded a quick demo, and it generated sections like introduction, pricing, and installation. You can customize the look in seconds. Change the theme with one click to match your brand's colors, adjust the layout to put your webcam bubble on the left, right, or go for a side-by-side look, and even choose fun effects like a circular frame or a green screen style cutout. When you're happy, export your video and share it instantly. The best part? You don't need any editing skills, and it's completely free during its public beta, so jump on this now. This is perfect for teachers, YouTubers, or anyone creating training videos. Pro tip: use Supercut to create a quick tutorial for your team or audience, and the auto-generated table of contents will make it easy for viewers to navigate. Now let's dive into Google AI Studio, a powerful and free platform for experimenting with AI. Think of it like ChatGPT, but with a developer-friendly twist. packed with tools for creating prompts, analyzing data, and even integrating AI into your projects. Here's how it works. Visit the Google AI Studio website, links below. Start with a simple prompt, like, explain the evolution of AI. Hit run, and you'll get a detailed response in seconds. You can customize the output by choosing a tone, like calm, professional, or casual, picking a model like Gemini 2.5 Pro Experimental, or adjusting the temperature to make the response more creative or straightforward. But that's not all. This tool has some seriously cool features. Try Stream Real-Time to have a live conversation with the AI, asking follow-up questions as you go. You can also use your webcam to show the AI something. For example, I showed it my phone case and asked, "What's this?" And it said, "It appears to be a phone case with a MagSafe charging ring." You can even share your screen and ask for help with tools like Canva, and it'll guide you step by step. There's also a prompt gallery with ready-made ideas like trip planners or code optimizers. It's free with a generous token limit, about 1 million per prompt, and it's great for both beginners and developers. Pro tip: use the Stream Real-Time feature to brainstorm ideas for your next project and save the conversation for reference. Next up is Color Match by Next, a free tool for giving your photos a professional color grade. If you love the look of a certain image or video thumbnail, this tool can apply that style to your own photos. Here's the step-by-step. Go to the Color Match website. Links in the description. Upload a reference image with the color grading you love. For example, I grabbed a thumbnail from Matt DeVille's YouTube channel because it had a warm, cinematic tone. Then, upload your own photo, say one of you in front of a landmark like the Harbor Bridge. The tool matches the colors of your photo to the reference image, and you can swipe to see the before and after. If you don't like the result, try a different reference image, like one with cooler blue tones. When you're happy, download the graded photo or the LUT file to use in software like Lightroom. This tool is free, super easy to use, and perfect for photographers, content creators, or anyone who wants their images to stand out. Pro tip: download a thumbnail from a YouTube video you admire using a tool like YouTubeThumbnailDownloader.com and apply its grading to your own photos for a consistent aesthetic. For all my data lovers out there, let's talk about GraphFast, a free tool that lets you create beautiful line graphs in seconds. Whether you're making reports, presentations, or blog content, this tool is a must-have. Here's how it works. Head to the GraphFast website, links below. Click Start Creating to open the graph editor. Enter your chart details. For the title, maybe something like X YouTube users. For the X-axis, time, years. And for the Y-axis, number of users. Input your data manually, or import a CSV file for real values. Customize the style with different colors, line types, or themes, then click Download PNG to save your graph. It's that simple. No sign-up needed, and it's perfect for embedding in reports, websites, or social media posts. Pro tip: use GraphFast to visualize your YouTube channel's growth over time and share it with your audience for extra engagement. Now let's get organized with Zencan, a productivity tool that's all about visual task management. It's like Trello, but simpler and more intuitive, with drag-and-drop Kanban boards. Here's how to use it. Visit the Zencan website, links in the description. Create a new board and add columns like To Do, In Progress, and Done. Add tasks by clicking the plus button in a column. For example, finish video script in your to-do list. Drag tasks between columns as you work on them and customize with bold text, numbered lists, or colors. You can create multiple boards for different areas of your life, like work, personal, or side projects. It's free, visually appealing, and super intuitive, making it great for managing tasks, notes, or brainstorming sessions. Pro tip: set up a board for your content creation pipeline, script ideas, filming, editing, and publishing to stay on top of your workflow. Next, we've got Twos, a minimalist app for organizing your notes, to-dos, and reminders. If you love clean, simple interfaces, this one's for you. Here's the rundown. Go to the Twos website, links below. Create lists for different categories like grocery list, wish list, or habit tracker. Add items to a list. For example, my wish list includes a Sony ZV-E1 camera, a 16mm f1.8 lens, and an Amaran f22x light. Click the dot next to an item to add reminders, photos, or tags. Use the Smart Suggestions feature to find products on Amazon, Walmart, or eBay. For habits, set daily reminders to keep yourself on track, and check the home view for a dashboard of all your lists. It's free, distraction-free, and perfect for anyone who wants a simple way to stay organized. Pro tip: use the habit tracker to build a daily routine, like edit for 30 minutes or post on social media, and set reminders to stay consistent. For all my visual content creators, let's talk about TextToNote, a free tool that generates stunning infographics, posters, and social media graphics in seconds. Here's how it works. Visit the TextToNote website, links below. Enter a text prompt like, the evolution of social media. Choose a category like list, timeline, or comparison, and click Generate Infographic. In seconds, you'll see a polished design. Customize the colors, layout, or content using the editor, then download as a PNG. Note that the free plan allows 2 downloads per workspace. It's free, incredibly fast, and requires no design skills, making it great for blogs, social media, or presentations. Pro tip: create an infographic for your next blog post or YouTube video to make your content more shareable and engaging. Finally, we've got TinyWow, a treasure trove of free tools that's like a Swiss Army knife for content creators. From video editing to text extraction to AI writing, it's got it all. Here's how to use it. Go to the TinyWow website, links in the description. Browse the categories like video tools or AI write. Try the YouTube to text tool. Paste a YouTube video URL, and in seconds, you'll get the full transcript with timestamps. Explore other tools like video compression, Instagram video downloader, or AI content summarizer. Most tools require no sign-up. Just upload or paste and go. It's free, packed with dozens of tools, and perfect for content creators, marketers, or anyone working with media. Pro tip: use the YouTube to text tool to extract transcripts from competitor videos, then summarize them with TextToNote for quick research. And there you have it, friends. 10 free, powerful tools to make your life easier, your work faster, and your content better. From summarizing texts with TextToNote to creating pro-level voiceovers with OpenAI FM, to designing infographics with TextToNote, these tools are all about helping you get stuff done without spending a dime. Which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and check out the links in the description for all the tools we covered. I've got more awesome content coming your way, so stay tuned. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.